Hello everyone, it's TZ Cubes and welcome to the Nationals vlog. In the last video, my friend Ortega Cuber and I happened to get the same flights and we flew all the way out from Colorado to Pittsburgh for Nationals. Okay, we arrived at the hotel and we are at the venue now.
Oh, there it is.
Alright, thank you.
Yes. Pamphlet and a goodie bag.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
Hey.
This is crazy. Yo, you're in the vlog.
Yo.
Hello.
Alright. I don't know, but these things hurt, so let's not throw them.
Yeah. I know braided.
Subscribe to TZ Cubes.
Yes. And subscribe to Ortega Cuber.
I don't have a YouTube channel.
Alright everyone, clock is starting. I'm using the Chi because what else did I use? And yeah, I'm on orange stage and it's group 4. It's garbage.
8 seconds.
Clock wasn't good at all. I got DNF average, but that's okay. That's done for events of the day, and tomorrow we have a bunch more events. Here's Junior.
Yeah, we do. We have a lot more tomorrow. I don't
Yeah.
know what he's talking about, but I agree. You listen to him.
A DNF average.
Well, would it have been good?
What?
Would it have been good?
No.
My thumbnail.
Yo.
Yeah, it's been so long. Well, it's been 4 years.
Yeah, I'm basically free for the whole day, so basically we're just gonna hang out, record some Max Park solves, and yeah, let's go see what Max Park can do. If you have been enjoying this video, make sure to sub for more Nationals content. We're on an elevator. Yeah, there we are.
Yeah, the venue.
It's gonna take 2 minutes to open. Still moving. There we go. All right, we are going to go practice team blind. Sorry.
Yes.
Using the Tornado V3 and Pikachu blindfold. I don't know if we'll actually use that.
Oh.
All right, we're doing 4x4 races before team blind, so
Yeah.
let's go.
I need to put D. 3, 2, 1.
Never mind, you destroyed me.
54.9. That didn't even feel that good of a solve.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nice job, guys.
Okay, that was pretty good then. Today one, team blind did pretty good, and yeah, basically, yeah, it's the end of day one, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.